Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to install specific version of PHP on Ubuntu. Here are the steps we will perform for installation. First step is to update the system. In the second step, we will add a PPA repository that will help us install specific version of PHP. And in the third step, we will search and install specific PHP version. And last step is to set the default PHP version to be used in case multiple versions are installed in the system. For this demo, I am using Ubuntu 22, but you can also follow these steps on all those Linux distributions where we can use apt or apt-get to install packages. For instance, here are some of those Linux distributions where you can follow the same sequence of steps. Now let's head to the terminal screen and follow the installation steps one by one. Let's update the system first. Sudo apt update. Now I will add a PPA repository to my system that will allow me to install the specific version of PHP in my system. Okay, press enter to continue. Okay, so if this add apt repository command is not available in your system, then you can get it by installing the software properties common package with this command sudo apt install software properties common. Okay. Since we have added a repository to the system, let's first update the system in order to download package information from all the configured sources. In this case, the configured source is this PPA repository I added earlier. Sudo apt update. Now we are ready to install a specific version of PHP. Before we install a specific version, let me show you the list of already installed PHP versions in my system. ls-l usr bin. Okay, so these are all the versions that I have already installed. Now let's say I want to install PHP 7.3. I will simply go ahead and run apt install command followed by the specific PHP version and I will be able to install it. Sudo apt install PHP 7.3. PHP 7.3. Yes. Okay, let me press tab by taking the selection to OK. Okay, press enter. Okay, now let's verify if PHP 7.3 is installed successfully. PHP-v. Okay, it is showing that I'm currently using PHP 7.4, but I want to use PHP 7.3. Before I show you how to set the default version to be used, let me first list all the installed PHP versions in my system. Okay, so now you can also see PHP 7.3 is also installed, but current version is set to PHP 7.4, so I want to change it to PHP 7.3. You can set the default PHP version to be used with the update alternatives command. For instance, update alternatives set PHP to set PHP version to usr bin. So basically I'm passing this path usr bin PHP 7.3. It is saying that you are using PHP 7.3. Okay, let's verify PHP-v. Okay, so the default version has been set to PHP 7.3. Now, if you want to find the location of the PHP configuration file for the default PHP version we set just now, you can run this command php-i grep loaded configuration file. Okay, so you can see it's showing the path of PHP 7.3 that we set as the default version. If you are not sure about the exact package name and version you want to install, you can run this apt search command to search for package name with exact version. For instance, sudo apt search php 80. So basically, I will list all the package names that start with PHP 80. You can see it has listed all the packages that start with PHP 80. I hope you will also be able to install it on your system without any issues. If there are any issues, add a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.